Well, as far as random videos go, this is by far my most random. So many people I'd mentioned this to on the forums asked me to film it, so I have done. Now, whilst I understand the science behind it, this isn't something I expected to happen. In fact, the first time it did happen, I actually thought that my missus had locked me in the workshop for a laugh. If you watched the video on me building the workshop, then you remember that I added a vapour barrier as instructed by the cladding company and sealed all the joints with tape. I just didn't realise how effective it was until unknowingly I locked myself inside the workshop. I'm using a pneumatic extractor that I bought from Axminster Tools. I connected the exhaust externally so that no hot air fills up the workshop in the summer. Now you'd think, judging by this click, that the door's locked. But here's what actually happens within 5 seconds of turning on the vacuum. Prior to making the videos on YouTube, I worked as a firefighter for nearly 20 years, serving my community and helping to save lives and promote the fire safety message. Unfortunately, an accumulation of many upsetting scenes became too much for my mind to cope with, and after years of failed therapy I was retired from the service on the grounds of ill health and signed off medically from any employment. To keep myself busy, both body and mind, I developed an interest in woodworking and car mechanics, and with already having a hobby in filming and music, I combined my interests and started making videos here on YouTube, filming, editing and composing my own music for my woodworking and car restoration channels Smugwood and Smugwoodmini. Unfortunately, to produce such videos comes at a price, and with minimal funds after being retired from employment, I've turned to Patreon to see if there is additional support out there which could allow me to continue making the woodworking and car restoration videos. In return for support, there are various levels which are explained in more depth at the Patreon link below, but includes the chance to win one of my YouTube projects made throughout the year, and also inclusion into random prize draws open to patrons only. In addition, I'd like to thank everybody who already subscribes to my channels, or watches, comments, likes and shares them, as it all goes to help support my channels, and for that I'm really appreciative. It's my hope that I can continue making the videos for the foreseeable future. Thanks once again for your continued support.